Hello guys, welcome to Windows Server tutorial series. In this video, I'm going to show you how to update group policy using terminal. Are you ready? Let's get started, okay? Uh, you should go to start menu and type cmd, okay? And enter. Once the terminal has been opened, you should type gp group policy update and then type force and enter. That's how you can update group policy using a terminal. And once the group policy has been updated, you should log off the Windows, and then after that the policy which you updated will be implemented. That's if you want to log off, just type log off and enter. It will be signing out, and then after that you can log in into your PC, and yeah, the group policy has been changed on your PC. Thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.